and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. So this is for the July 2021, the Take a Break. I'm still sad that they no longer have the little info cards of your products. I don't know why they stopped doing that. I really wish they'd reconsider and bring it back, because I liked knowing, as I unboxed it, the value of my products, but beggars can't be choosers, so take a break. Airplane mode your phone. Put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Whether it's a living room dance party or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary, let loose, and go with the flow. Where will it take you? Hashtag Ipsy Take a Break. Your ultimate beauty staycation. No round-trip tickets needed for full-body bliss. We've got the tips to transport yourself to a 5-star happy place. Step 1. Petty please. Cue up your fave show and indulge in a sea salt foot soak to relieve your feet while you pick your next summer petty color. Step 2. Drink it in. Get glowy from the inside out with a beauty superfood smoothie. Try coconut water. I can't, I'm allergic. For hydration, pineapples for vitamin C, and kale for an antioxidant boost. Step 3. Make some moves. Hit the pavement or dance around the house. Move whatever way makes you feel good and enjoy those exercise endorphins. Plus, that glow is worth the sweat. Step 4. Go skin deep. Fancy a massage? You've got the tools in your hands. Literally, facial massage is a major glow booster. It helps increase blood flow and depuffer. Honestly, truth though, look how much better my skin's been looking since I've started using the facial roller. This is with like literally no products whatsoever on my skin at all. So it does in fact make your skin glowier to do that. I don't even have moisturizer on right now. This is just straight out of the shower. My hair is still damp. But anyway. Step 5. Aloha your hair. Work a scalp scrub into the roots to remove buildup and pave the way for healthy hair growth. Top it off with a coconut oil hair mask. It'll deep condition and give a dreamy tropical scent. Again, can't with the coconut. I feel attacked. But anyway, vacay vibes achieved. Take your home spa experience to the next level with our pro guides on ipsy.com/blog. And then it's like your Glam Bag Plus packing list. It's literally the same shit it always has, just it's like, you know, if you're not gonna have the thing about the products inside, why even include this little thingy? Whatever. So the bag itself is adorable. I love it. I mean, the other one was cute, but really though, it's purple. My god, I love it. Like these colors. As an 80s baby, this speaks to my soul. This like is my childhood wrapped up in a makeup bag. Holy crap. Like aesthetically, like the whole thing. And I, again, love the little airplane zipper pull. It's so cute, but just all of it. And you know, there's a Paul McCartney song called Wanderlust, so I really cannot complain. Plus, you know, purple! So anyway, there's that. And in here, that almost went flying. We've got $1 Billion Brows, 60 Seconds to Beautiful Brows. So it's got brow powder and a brow brush in here. Let's take a look. So, oh, isn't that cute? It's itty bitty and it's double-sided. Ooh. So we've got a spoolie on this end and a little angled brush on that end. That is adorable, by the way. And then this taupe color that actually, you know, that is pretty spot on. And honestly, for whatever is going on here lately, yeah, I need to do something to fill that in. So this could not have come at a better time. So I'm actually excited for that. Usually I'm like bored by the brow stuff, but right now I'm like, that would be very helpful at the moment. Let's see, I've also got, this was my pick item, I believe, because this was the last month where you could only pick one. Now you can pick, I think, 3 of your items in the plus box. So I got the Tarte C Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara, because of course I did. Beach Boys, Surfer Girl, get it? Anyway, so if those results are to be believed, hell to the yes. I've got a bunch of Tarte mascaras all of a sudden. I've got this, I've got the Big Ego, I've got the Lights Camera Lashes, I think I've got Man Eater, I want to say I have another one too. Like I said, I was like, all of a sudden I realized I suddenly have a lot of Tarte mascaras, and I'm kind of here for it, because I really like theirs. This has algae, vitamin E, mineral pigments in it, and is ophthalmologist tested, and it's cruelty-free and vegan. Wave hello to effortless volume. Formulated for eye-opening volume and curl, vitamin E conditions, plant waxes lengthen. So there's that. Bonjour volume. I like the French one, that's cute. Okay. But yeah, so there's that. Again, if those results are real, that is amazing. I'm trying to tell, do I spy any falsies on there, or is this actually how it works? Because it's not all that uncommon for mascaras to use a picture of the before and after, and the before is just nothing on, and the after they have freaking false lashes on, but no, I think this might be legit. This might be legit. I'll have to see. But if it's real, I'm excited. So I have a little itty bitty size of the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black. And it's a waterproof liquid liner. Just, can we appreciate the little roses on it? It's so cute. Let's see the tip. Ooh, hello, honey. And that's one of the ones that's got the little individual bristles on it too, because I just looked at it in the light. That's not even felt tip, that's with bristles. Holy crap. I'm very excited to see how that one works in reality. We also have, oh, this is heavy. Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color by Il Maquillage in Alter Ego. Where's it open? Does it, wait. Okay, so there's some tape on it to where I can't open it that way without snipping that. These might be too fat to fit in there. Shit. I'm trying to at least just get it started so I can get in there. Come on. If I could just get any of it to snip. Just a little, come on. Just a little teeny tiny snippy. All I'm asking here shouldn't be that much. My nail polish is janky at this point anyway, I don't even care. Okay, I can just cut that now, because I don't care. So this opens diagonally. Look at that! Oh my god! That's so cool! That's like the coolest box I've ever seen for an eyeshadow. So then, we've got that. Look at that color. That's really nice. And then from there, it's almost like a puzzle figuring out how it opens. Oh, it's magnetic. That's why it won't open. Okay. Ooh, I like the magnetic. Ooh, more purple. Look at that. It's beautiful. But yeah, that magnetic snap is so pleasing to me, and I don't know why. But yeah, just, oh my gosh, I'm so easily amused. I'm like, oh my god, that's so fun to play with. Okay. We have got, by Nature's Cartel, the Shimmer Lip Gloss in VCR Static. Ooh, more 80s-ness. Oh, that's clever. It does kind of look like VCR Static. Especially when you move it in the light. It's kind of like the oh my gosh, I'm so way too amused with that. I love it. Please tell me it smells good. I want it to smell good. No, it doesn't. It smells like bug spray, but that's okay. We'll use it one of these days anyway. Like, damn, I was really hoping that would smell like vanilla or something. Nah, it smells like effing bug spray. I find that all too often with certain lip products. I'm like, why would you make one smell like that? This, ironically, I have 2 others of, and I just reviewed it earlier this week. It hasn't gone up yet, but I have the footage filmed. It's the Hey Honey Show Your Glow Colloidal Gold and Honey Beauty Mask. And for how expensive this little thing is and it's full sized, I think between my 3 sample sizes now, I may have about the equivalent of one full sized one, which saved me about $60. I'm like, oh, I don't know how exactly I ended up with 3, but I am not complaining because I really like this one and it smells amazing. And oh my gosh, I am really happy to have another one of it because it's really lovely, but I would never in a million years spend what they want for this one on the site, and there's only the one size on the site. They don't sell a travel size of it, only the full size. So I'm like, yeah, I will happily take these from Ipsy whenever they present themselves to me. We have also got from Beauty for Real Hotter Than Miami Lip Cream. And I peeled this back a little bit to show the color. I actually swapped my mom something for this one that had coconut in it so I could get this because she won't wear that color. So I was like, I will happily take that color off your hands. Oh my goodness. So I'm really excited to try that one out. That almost matches my shirt today, but not putting it on today. We have from Naked Cosmetics a vanilla lip scrub. Oh, I forgot that was a thing in here. Oh, hello. Hello. Where were you hiding? I totally thought this was another Naked Cosmetics eyeshadow, and then it's a lip scrub. Definitely gonna put that somewhere where I don't forget about that, so it actually gets used. Of the chapstick ones I've had sitting around for years, they're still unopened. One of these days, I need to dig them out and just stick them on this table so I see them literally on a daily basis till I open the dang things and review them, because this is getting ridiculous how long they've been sitting in the to-be-reviewed pile. There is no excuse for how long they've been sitting there. Oop. Okay, I've got the Probiotics and Superfoods. Is that the brand name? Protect and Glow. Oh, no, this is by Tula Skincare. I'm stupid. That was the side of the box. This is Tula Skincare Probiotic Skincare. Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum SPF 30 for UVA and UVB protection. I'm just lame. I read it wrong. Feed your skin the good stuff. Formulated without parabens, phthalates, mineral oil and petrolatum, SLS and SLES, formaldehyde-releasing preservatives, triclosan, fragrance, gluten, or dairy. We are cruelty-free, non-comedogenic, and won't clog your pores. Sunscreen you'll love to wear. Your daily SPF plus protection against... Let's try that again. Your daily SPF 30 plus protection against pollution and blue light. Gel glows on clear, even skin tone, and gives you a gorgeous glow. Has homosalate, avobenzone, and octisalate in it. So I didn't know it protects against blue light, but that's actually like really badass. I didn't realize that. Oh, will you just cooperate, please? And that's a pretty decent sized tube of it too, so really can't complain there. Wow. Expires in February of next year, though. That's a really short shelf life. Ipsy, what the hell, man? The hell? Maybe I should just use that one because I sit in front of a computer all day, every day. Even if I'm not going outside, just use that one. Then we've got this Mud Masky Facial Detox Purifying Recovery Mask, pH Balance, Pore Refining, Hydrating, Anti-Aging, Brightening, and Smoothing. I like the rubbery texture on this. I don't know why it's so pleasing to me. It feels like those vinyl purses I had as like a little kid. Like those clear jelly ones. It feels like that jelly plastic, but it doesn't stink like it. I'm like, oh, I don't know why this is so just tactily pleasing to me, but I really like it. Instructions: wash your face and hands, apply a thin layer to your face, leave mask on for 7 to 11 minutes. 7 to 11, not 7 to 10, 7 to 11 minutes, and experience a slight tingling sensation. Dry skin, 7 minutes, normal, 9 minutes, oily, 11. Oh, that's how they get the numbers. Okay. Well, what about for those of us with combo skin? Some of my face is really oily, some of it is really dry. Maybe I should go for the 9. We all know I'm gonna aim for the 11 in reality, unless it gets unbearable. Remove mask with cold water. Use once or twice a week. Well, I don't know how many uses I'd get out of this. It's itty bitty, but then again, with this little guy, I thought it'd be good for like 2 or 3 uses. Yeah, first use, it didn't even like show as anything out of it because you use such a thin layer of this stuff, so maybe it's more than it looks like. And speaking of masks, they finally sent me a hair thing for I think the first time ever. It's the Verb Manage and Restore Hydrating Mask, which, I mean, this little thing. We know how long my hair is, right? And this is with it wavy because it air dried. And it's still that long in a ponytail. Let's take the ponytail out. Do we really think, see, it's still wet, but do we really think this is going to cover all of it even once? Doubtful, but I will give it a shot. I might get like 1 use out of it with my hair, but oh my gosh, my hair is still wet. I washed it hours ago and it's still wet. I towel dried it, but that is just how grippy my hair is with any moisture, but it is super porous. Let's put that back up. So, no parabens, no gluten, no sulfates. Application after washing with Verb shampoo. Work formula through damp hair. Allow mask to sit on the hair for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse, use once a week or as needed. Another one with oddly specific times on it, but for some reason with hair stuff, 5 to 7 doesn't sound that out of place, whereas if this had been like a face one, I'd be like, those are really weird numbers. Usually it's like 5, 10, 15, 20. But, anywho. Let's see. Use product only as directed. Avoid contact with eyes. Well, no shit. All of them say that. Okay, well, anyways, that's what I got in this plus box. I had a bunch of bonus stuff this time, so can't complain about that. And yeah, I think I still have more bonus stuff in my August bag for both the normal Ipsy bag and the plus bag, and I still got one of the deal of the day flash sales, so I went a little crazy this month, and I can't wait to show you all of that stuff soon. But anyways, I'm just gonna wrap this up here because we're already 17 minutes in and I can't believe this got that long. So anyways, probably a lot of that was me trying to open that packaging that didn't want to budge, but anyways, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. If you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.